Hey guys, welcome back. I'm edcgunner and I have this vintage Maunia pocket watch, and I have many Maunia watch reviews and videos, but I'm gonna say just this one. This is a super cool pocket watch that won't break the bank. Under 50 bucks on eBay, you can get them all day long. And I got this one at the flea market for 20 bucks, and I'm super happy. And I love pocket watches, I love it. And if you're a watch guy, I think it's really cool to have a pocket watch. But now today, this one is running fast. This one's running fast, like 20 minutes faster than it should. And I'm gonna demagnetize it. I have my old demagnetizer here, but it's not old, it's new. But see with me how I'm gonna demagnetize it, and check out this back. This is the train, and it's authentic. This is a Russian piece. It ticks very loudly. It's made in USSR. Super cool if you like trains, if you like watches. This is super cool. Has a nice train, and I like a good pocket watch, and this is the cheapest one you can get with the actual history, with the mechanical movement, and that's not a quartz. Of course, if it's a mechanical movement, there's some issues with it. So this one's running fast. So it's running fast 20 minutes. It's probably magnetized. So I'm gonna try to demagnetize it, and if that works, I'm gonna give you a report back. I'm gonna report you back tomorrow to see that it has this worked. I like to do in trees. Okay, now I'm gonna set it to the correct time. Okay. Wound it. Isn't this cool? I love this. I'm gonna wound it and report back to you guys tomorrow with the result. Alright guys, so 24 hours started, so it's next day, and time to see the results. Actually, I saw it before, but you can check the correct time here. It's the same. See? It worked.